I said, hey, we want some vlogs. Hey, I said, hey, we want some vlogmas. I said, hey, we want some vlogmas. Hi, my beautiful people. It's your girl, AshaKosh, back again with a new video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you're notified every time your girl makes a post. Today is Vlogmas Day 3. Wait, that's 6. Day 3. And today's video is my Christmas wish list. So this is a Christmas wish list that is perfect for a girl, a girlfriend, not even like girlfriend, like a friend that's your girl, a crush, a teen, your wifey. You know, this is like a perfect gift guide for any woman in your life, okay? And it's 100+ gift ideas, so I got you. Just sit back. I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible. So you guys, I ramble a lot, but I'm not trying to ramble today. So let me get started. Okay. All right, jewelry. Getting your girl a jewelry is like number one gift that you should give somebody. You can give them a necklace, you can give them a chain, you give them some earrings, you give them a ring, okay? Like anything you think, you get them nameplate, you just whatever you want to give them, you can get. And I feel like jewelry is like, a no-brainer. It's easy. Everybody likes jewelry. Women love jewelry, so you can't go wrong with some jewelry. I personally don't have a Keurig, and I love coffee, but if I had it, I would love one. So a Keurig, I feel like Keurigs are super affordable, and it's like coffee. Who doesn't like coffee? You can make hot chocolate, coffee, tea. The list is endless. So Keurig, I feel like is a no-brainer, especially if they don't got it, they will love it. Ooh, workout clothes. I personally go work out. I love working out, and I feel like workout clothes, I'm always going to use them because I'm going to work out. I feel like if you get somebody workout clothes, it's going to motivate them to go work out. I feel like a lot of people, the New Year's coming, they're going to want to, get back in the gym. So having those workout clothes before they even get there, I think it's a really good gift. Jordan 1s. Jordan 1s are super in season. Everybody loves some Jordans. Getting them some Jordan 1s, I feel like she's gonna love you. And I love the colors. Any colorway really is really good too. Like, I love Jordans. Socks. I know y'all are probably like, socks? I'm like, socks. Like, I love socks. I lose my socks. I love the little fuzzy socks. Like, I feel like you don't have to give them like the basic socks. You can give them some fuzzy socks and like cool little socks that have like aloe in it. Some socks, A Sephora gift card. I know as a woman, I love Sephora. I shop at Sephora all the time. They literally have everything in Sephora. Perfume, makeup, hair products, gift card. They're gonna pretty much go stupid. And especially if you give them something like $50 on it, they can get like a lot of things with that. Ooh, candles. I personally love candles. You can get them candles from, Bath and Body Works, of course. You can get them from Walmart if you're not even trying to spend a lot. Or you can even go to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, any of those stores. I feel like they have like affordable price candles, and they're really big. So pro tip, get them some candles at TJ Maxx's or some Marshalls. Rick Owens. These shoes are so in style. I see them literally every day on my For You page, every day on my Instagram Explore page. If you don't know what Rick Owens shoes look like, this is what they look like. I personally like the long ones, and I like the short ones, but I'd rather get the short ones. But they're $1,500. I know. But if you go to DHgate, they're like $50. So I know they're dupes, but they look just like the regular ones. It's really up to you. Pick your poison. I'm just trying to give y'all gift ideas. Okay, don't shoot the messenger. All right, Yeezys. I love Yeezys. You get them the shoes, or you get them the slides, or you can get the foams. Like, Yeezys I feel like are timeless. They literally go with every outfit. They're so on trend. Literally, they're gonna scream when you get them. I feel like if they love Yeezys, they're gonna really appreciate you getting them some slides. Like, I want some Yeezy slides. Like, if I get some Yeezy foam slides for Christmas, I will be screaming like, ah! Ooh, a Telfar. Everybody wants a Telfar. If you're a black woman, you know about Telfar. It's a black designer brand. Now, if you get the Telfar UGG collection, I feel like they will love that. My friend has been asking for that. She keeps on talking about it, like as if we're supposed to just give her a Telfar. Also the TOTE Marc Jacob bags. That one I really like. And when I was Googling about this video, they're only $175, so they're very affordable. And they're designer brag, and they're really, really on trend. I literally see them every day on my Explore page. The tote bags are going stupid. They look so good, and they come in so many different colors. I feel like you can't go wrong with them. Ooh, an air fryer. I got an air fryer for last Christmas, and I really, really love it. So I can't see, like, imagine somebody not wanting an air fryer, especially if they don't have one. Like, air fryer will change your life. You literally use it literally all the time. Like, go get you an air fryer, especially if you don't have one. Even if it's not for a gift and you want one, just get you one. Like, you need it. Okay, a Pretty Little Thing gift card. Like, instead of like buying them like clothes, you can just give them gift cards to their favorite places. Like Pretty Little Things, Fashion Nova gift card, a Shein gift card. If you're a guy and you're watching this video and you don't know where your girl shops, she probably shops at these stores, especially if she's a middle class woman like me. She definitely shops there, and you cannot go wrong getting them a gift card from those stores. Ooh, a bullet. That's a bullet. You know the blenders. I feel like that's a good gift, and especially like for any like college student, young adult, a blender, you know, you can't go wrong with it. Any set from Sephora, like Sephora has so many gift sets. Like, you should definitely just go to Sephora and get you some gift sets. They have the one gift set that I got a couple of years ago for Christmas, but it was like they have a whole bunch of perfumes, little samplers, and like once you figured out, once you like used all the samples, you can go and give them like, I think, a card, and they'll give you a full size of whichever one from that sample that you love. They'll give you a full bottle. So yeah, I really think they got really good gift sets at Sephora, so definitely check out Sephora for any gift sets. They have so many. A wig. Now, I know you're probably looking like, a wig? Yes, girl, a wig. Get that person a wig. Like, I feel like a wig, you can't go wrong. They're like 100, 150, depending on what type of wig you're gonna get them. I feel like get them a natural, you know, not natural, but a authentic human virgin hair wig. You know, get them something between the lengths of like a 12, from 20 to even 30 if you want to get real, you know, spicy with it. Get them a 30-inch wig. They will love you. Fenty Rihanna lip gloss. I literally have Fenty Rihanna lip gloss on right now, and I really, really love Fenty Rihanna lip gloss. I have like almost all her colors, but she still has more that I don't have. But yes, any girl would love some lip gloss. You can't go wrong, because literally girls wear lip gloss every day, and it's something she don't have to buy for herself, so she's gonna appreciate that. Perfume, let's talk about it. Let's say Dossier. You guys know I love Dossier. It's a designer dupe brand. They sell perfumes, affordable prices. This video is not sponsored by Dossier, but I wish it was. But they got really good perfumes. That's why I mentioned it. Flower Bomb. Everybody loves Flower Bomb. A lot of girls love that scent, and I feel like that's a great gift to give anybody. And they have like spin-offs from all of these like companies, so like you can get like a Flower Bomb. And there's another one, I think Nectar. That's the one I really want. So like, there's different ones. You can get Marc Jacobs. I love Marc Jacobs perfume. I literally get compliments on the one that I have now. It's the Daisy line. An Amazon Prime gift card. Everybody's on Amazon. Literally, everybody wants to buy something. There's literally anything on Amazon. You can Google it and it's shipped in 2 days. Merry Christmas. Press-on nails. I feel like this probably sounds weird, but like, especially if somebody doesn't wear press-on nails and you give them press-on nails, they might enjoy it and actually like that you like gave them the suggestion on wearing press-on nails, because press-on nails are really slept on, but they're really the bomb, and you need to get them if you don't got them. So I feel like that would be a great gift, like a stocking stuffer. Like, that's perfect. You feel me? Now, with that being said, you can also get that person lashes. Like, lashes is such a good gift. Like a 5-pack or a 7-pack or even a 10-pack of lashes. Like, girls wear lashes every day. Give her like a nice one. You just get wispy or 3D mink when you're Googling it, and then she's gonna love all those. I'm showing you all of these too. Gel nail kit. I don't have a gel nail kit, but I feel like if I had one, I would do those. I would definitely put it on my toes. I have my toes always done, period. A wax kit. Yes, I love my wax kit. I literally wax my armpits, wax my eyebrows. I love my wax kit, and it's a perfect gift, especially if that person like stuff like that. They're gonna appreciate a wax kit. You can get them a camera, all right? Like a disposable camera, a film camera, a digital camera. Now, if you give her a digital camera, make sure you give her an SD card so that she can take pictures on it as soon as away. And if you're giving her a film camera, make sure you give her film so that she's able to take pictures straight away. It's like, it would look like You gave her a broken camera if you don't give her things like that to make it like make sense when she gets the gift. Like she can use the gift, you feel me? I feel like headphones are a good like gift, like the Beats, the AirPods. Now if she's a runner, she can wear those other Beats with the little loop. Like you can't go wrong with any pair of earphones, and I feel like headphones are so cool. A tripod, if she's trying to be a YouTuber or if she likes to make TikToks, getting her a phone tripod or just a tripod in general, she's gonna love it, she's gonna use it. When you give her a tripod, might as well go ahead and get the ring light too, because like, you know, they go literally hand in hand. And I love my ring light, and especially if somebody's trying to be a YouTuber and you give them like a whole like basically a YouTube starter kit, they're gonna really appreciate that, because that's you're supporting their business, you're supporting their hobby. DJ mixing table, like I personally want to start becoming a DJ. I still do. So a mixing table would be cool, and a DJ mixing table is only $150. Yes, I'm putting y'all on. I know. I missed the put it on. Okay, I missed the Christmas put it on. Wine, if she likes wine, get her some white wine. If you're not a wine drinker and you're trying to give somebody a bottle of wine, please get her some Stella Rose, some Stutter House, anything sweet. You feel me? She's not gonna get mad at it because it tastes good. You feel me? And when you people be trying to get the red wines don't be sweet. You need to get her some Pinot Grigio, some Moscato, like some other type of sweet white wine other than the red ones. Because people be trying to get the red wines, trying to be fancy, and they don't taste good to me. Now, if she like red wine, then get her red wine. But if she don't, and you just trying to figure it out, get some white wines, the ones that I listed. A hoodie. I feel like giving somebody some staple hoodies is a really good gift, because I love hoodies. It's cold. It's like the winter. She's going to use it for the fall. She's going to use it for the winter. She's going to use it year round. Some Nike Dunks, if I didn't say that. I feel like Nike Dunks are so freaking cute. I don't have a pair and I really want one. I feel like you can get her, they have endless colors. So you can just give her her favorite color and she'll like probably love you forever. Now, this one is going to probably turn some heads, but the rose vibrator. Get it. Get it. She's gonna love you. Get it. Get it. Phone case. Get her a phone case. She might like it. You never know. You put one with your face on it, or put a picture of her on it. Like, she probably would really like that. That's actually a really good idea, honestly. I said speaker. I actually got an Apple speaker for my birthday, and I really, really love it. And it's very affordable. And I love that I can just be like, hey Siri, do this, do that, do that. And she does it. So Apple speaker, I love it. You can get a JBL speaker, a Bose speaker, you know, just any type of speaker. UGGs. UGGs are back in season. I feel like a lot of people love UGGs. I have 2 pairs of UGGs that I wear faithfully. I have the khaki ones and I have the black ones. And I don't feel like I want any other ones because those pretty much go with anything that I want to wear my UGGs with. So, you know, UGGs are a really good gift, especially during the winter time. And like I said, they're back on trend. Ooh, now, if somebody gave me a hair mask, I wouldn't get mad, because hair masks are expensive, especially if you get them like a really luxury type hair mask. She's gonna really appreciate it. It's like, you care about my curls. Thank you. You know, or okay, hair oil. Like for me, last year I had cut my hair off. I didn't have, well, I didn't cut all my hair, but I had cut my hair and I was growing my hair back. So like getting hair oil, I wouldn't be mad at that. You know, I'm trying to grow my hair back out. So you give me oil, it just makes sense to me. A Michael Kors bag, okay? I went up and I got quite to be God. Y'all know what I was talking about. Like, if you a Nicki fan. Apparently not. Okay, let me continue. A grinder? If she a stoner, she gonna love it. She gonna appreciate it. Especially if you give her a couple pre-rolls. Ooh, she gonna be like, yeah, this is a great Christmas day. What is you talking about? Let's go to outside. I'm telling you. Apple Watch. I actually love my Apple Watch. I wear it all the time, especially for working out, especially when I'm out and about. When somebody texts me, I can just look down, boom, boom, boom. Apple Watch is really good. Back to when we were talking about the Rick Owens. You can get them Converses. There's Converses that look like Rick Owens, especially if you customize them. Or you can just get regular black or regular white Converses because they actually look good too. Crescent white kit or a whitening kit. I feel like people that like care about their appearance, especially me, I have whitening kits and I love them. So imagine getting that for a gift. I feel like that would be very appreciated. With that being said, like getting a blackhead extractor, like if you are somebody that cares about skin or somebody that you know like wants to make their skin improvements, like getting a blackhead extractor I feel like would be a great gift. Or a spin brush. I feel like a lot of people don't have spin brushes and they're really good for skin, and you know, it's a perfect gift for somebody. An iPhone 13. If you got money, spend it. A BBL, 10 racks. If you got money, just give money. I feel like you can't go wrong with giving somebody a whole stack of money. Cash out right there. Stop it. A PlayStation 5. I really want a PlayStation, and it's because I want to play video games. Sims. Oh, give your girl like Sims. If she doesn't have Sims, she probably really like it because like Sims is like one of the best games, especially if you're a woman, you love Sims. So yeah, Sims. Ooh, a weighted blanket. Crocs are back in town, or not in town, bitch, in style. So like definitely getting somebody some Crocs. There's so many different colored Crocs. Like they have new Crocs that are like really don't even look like the old Crocs. Like those are nice. Like any type of Crocs, I feel like anybody would appreciate. iPad. MacBook, books. If she's a person like me, like I love books. I love poetry books, and I love autobiographies, and I love like self-development books. So any book like that, like right now I'm currently reading, or I just finished reading the Gabrielle Union book. It was amazing. I'm now reading the Will Smith book, and it's pretty good. So any books that's gonna just help that person. So that's basically I think that's everything I have for you guys on my Christmas wish list. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.